everyone, this is Sarah with Powertrain Products. I am back with one of our remanufactured engines. This particular one is going to be a Ford 4-liter. You're going to find this in all of your Explorer, Ranger, Mountaineer applications. So this comes similar to most of our other long blocks. It's going to have the black cylinder heads, your timing components, your gaskets, and your oil pump. The one that I'm showing you does have the harmonic balancer on it. They do not typically come with the harmonic balancer, so just be prepared if you do purchase one, it probably won't be on there. So this particular engine, we have corrected all of the timing issues that they were having in the original. And just like all of the other engines, they are sim tested for operability. They do come backed with our Powertrain Promise warranty. If you do have any questions about availability or pricing, give us a call. The number is 888-842-0023, or you can visit us at powertrainproducts.net.